everyone, it's Eliana here. Welcome to Vlogmas day 17. We are up bright and early. I'm in my white cargo sweats and sweatshirt. We are going out of the house early today, going out to breakfast and then to work at a coffee shop. I'm probably gonna read because I didn't charge my computer last night, unfortunately, but that's okay. And this is the bag I'm taking because it fits my laptop in it. And then I'm gonna be wearing like black little slippers in case you were wondering. That's kind of the plan for the day. And then I need to edit for YouTube, but my computer needs to be charged, so I'll probably have to wait until we're back home for that. But that's kind of it. We're getting a really early start to the day. The early bird gets the worm, you know. And yeah, that's basically what we're up to. I'm gonna get this girl in her little crate and then get going. So lovely. I was gonna go to the bins this morning, but my brother already had a commitment, so we're gonna go either tomorrow or the following day, so we'll see. I was really kind of hoping to do it now, but I kind of am really tired, so going to the bins doesn't sound great now anyway. So breakfast it is, and then coffee, which I need. Okay, I'm gonna stop yapping and start moving. Look, gluten-free pancakes, and they look just as good as the glutinous ones. I'm gonna chop some veggies with this magical vegetable chopper. Highly recommend. Made myself some tea. I'm gonna do some bell peppers, broccoli, zucchini, and some yellow squash. Now, get a little knife. You do have to do some prep chopping, but it is way easier this way. So I'm going to just chop this into little segments like this.